If you like short form videos but want something new, you might have heard about Shorten. In this quick review, I'll explain what that app is, its main features, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually better than TikTok. What is Shorten? Shorten is a short video social media app where users can create and watch quick vertical videos, similar to platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. The platform focuses on fast content discovery, simple video editing, and helping smaller creators grow faster. Here are some of the most important features. Short video feed, scroll through endless short videos just like other short form platforms. Built in editing tools, add filters, and quick effects directly inside the app. Creator discovery, the algorithm tends to push newer creators, making it easier to gain views early on. Lightweight app, the app is designed to run smoothly even on lower end phones. Pros, some advantages of Shorten include easier exposure for small creators, simple and beginner friendly interface, less saturated compared to TikTok. Cons. However, there are also some downsides. Smaller user base, fewer advanced editing tools, not as many trends or viral challenges yet. Is it better than TikTok? Right now, Shorten isn't bigger than TikTok, but it can be a good alternative if you are a new creator looking for faster visibility. And that's all for today's review. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel for more such videos, and turn on the bell icon. Share this video to your friend, and see you in a new review or comparison video.